Season 6 Episode 7. Tamir Brown's second clone gets sent to military school/grounded.
Tamir Brown's second clone, you're going somewhere.
Chuck E. Cheese.
No, Tamir Brown's second clone, military school.
No.
You will stay in military school for 35 years.
Dad, I don't want to go to military school.
Too bad, because you are being the worst son. Oh look, the bus is here. Get in the bus, Tamir Brown's second clone. Bye.
When Tamir Brown's second clone got to military school. Next. Who are you?
I'm Tamir Brown's second clone.
Okay, Tamir Brown's second clone. Go to your class.
Welcome to Titanic's Ocean Liner's military school. There will be no bathroom breaks, no playing, no making friends, no iPad, no iPhone, no iOS 26, no fun, no internet, no McDonald's, no Roblox, no 20th Century Studios, no PlayStation, no Xbox, no Nintendo Switch 1 or 2, and no nothing. You will be staying here until 2061.
Excuse me, can I use the bathroom?
No, I said no bathroom breaks.
But, I will poop my pants, Washington. Hey.
If you do that, you will be in military prison. Do you want that, or stay in here?
I want to go home.
America. Going home is not a choice. You are staying here and that's final.
11 years later in 2037.
Oh my God! I need to go to the bathroom. Please let me go.
No, Tamir Brown's second clone. That's it, Tamir Brown's second clone. You will be in military prison.
Oh my gosh! Ashley, how did you get here?
No, I got sent here because I threw a major temper tantrum, and I got here for 40 years. But at least I still have you.
I miss you so much. Let's hug.
Tamir Brown's second clone and Ashley, it's time to go to bed.
But, didn't you say in the rules that sleeping is not allowed?
Nope, sleeping is allowed in military prison. Go to bed right now.
"15 years later, in 2052.
Man, it's been 15 years, and why we didn't get out of jail?
What should we do?
I know, we should use plot-gun logic to escape jail.
I agree with you, Tamir Brown Cyclone. Let's do it in 3, 2, 1.
Yes, we escaped military prison. Now let's go home before. Escape alert! We have 2 escapers who escaped military prison, which is Tamir Brown's second clone and his girlfriend Ashley. So Tamir Brown's second clone and Ashley. Guess what? What?
I changed your cell into a padded cell, and you will be staying here for a very long time.
7 years later, in 2059.
Tamir Brown second clone, you can go back to my classroom. And Ashley is staying here for 40 years.
2 years later, in 2061.
Class dismissed. Goodbye.
When Tamir Brown's second clone got home.
Hi Tamir Brown second clone, welcome back.
Hi, Dad.
High five. That's it, you're grounded all for time. You're going back to military school.
Wah!
Thanks for watching.